Most motorcycles break down long before 100,000 miles, but these American machines keep going far beyond that. Today we're counting down 7 motorcycles that have earned a legendary reputation for reliability. These are the bikes that refuse to die. Starting our list at number 7, we have the Harley-Davidson Evolution Sportster, a bike that defines the phrase, "keep it simple." The air-cooled Evolution engine introduced in the mid-80s saved Harley-Davidson. It's an over-engineered masterpiece that thrives on basic maintenance. Whether it's the 883 or the 1200, these bikes are famous for hitting 200,000 miles with little more than regular oil changes. At number 6, we move to a modern legend, the Indian Scout. This liquid-cooled powerhouse proved that Indian was back to stay. The 60 and 69 cubic inch motors are built with modern tolerances, allowing riders to cross continents without a single mechanical worry. Number 5 is the king of the road, literally. The Harley-Davidson Road King, especially those equipped with the twin-cam and Milwaukee 8 engines. Built on a heavy-duty touring chassis, these bikes are designed to live on the highway. They are the choice of high-mileage cross-country travelers. Coming in at number 4, a brand that may be gone, but whose bikes refuse to quit, the Victory Cross Country. The Freedom 106 engine is legendary for being overbuilt. With oil-cooled heads and a massive transmission, it's a cult favorite for reliability. Number 3 brings us back to Indian with the Chief, powered by the massive Thunderstroke 111 and 116 engines. This engine is an unkillable beast. Its air-cooled simplicity and massive low-end torque make it a marathon runner for the modern age. At number 2, we have the engineer's Harley, the FXR. Many consider this the best handling and most durable frame Harley ever produced. Combining the stiff frame with the rubber-mounted Evolution engine created a machine that could handle high speeds and high mileage with ease. Finally, at number 1, the Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage. It's the ultimate balance of classic style and bulletproof mechanics. We've seen reports of these bikes hitting over 250,000 miles without a single engine rebuild. It is truly the gold standard. Which of these high-mileage legends would you trust for a cross-country trip? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into motorcycle history and engineering. Keep riding and stay safe out there.